visions getting clearer. Told my mama I love her, kissed the 305 goodbye. Just me, a packed up Honda in the wide open sky. They said a young black girl shouldn't ride out alone, but the spirit's been pulling me far from my home. Got my playlist loaded, got my Bible on the dash, leaving behind the shadows, burning up the past. 2 hands on the wheel, but I let God drive. For the first time in my life, I feel completely alive. Every mile marker is a tear I used to cry. Watch me spread my wings, watch me touch the sky. Oh, I'm taking the long way across this land. No map in my pocket, just faith in his hand. From the Atlantic breeze to the Pacific tide, finding the woman that I've been keeping inside. It's a solo flight, but I'm never alone. From the Florida swamps to the great unknown, yeah, I'm paving my way, claiming my space. Just a girl on a journey, running on grace. Rolling through the Delta, red dirt on my tires, thinking about my ancestors walking through the fires. Texas stretched out like a canvas unpainted. Had a breakdown in Houston, but my spirit never fainted. The Arizona desert brought a sunrise so sweet. Felt the Holy Ghost fire right down to my feet. My curls blowing wild in the hot Mojave wind, shedding all the way to the places I have been. 2 hands on the wheel, yeah, I let God drive through the valleys and the shadows, look at me survive. Every mountain pass is a brand new start, stitching together pieces of my heart. I'm taking the long way across this land. No map in my pocket, just faith in his hand. From the Atlantic breeze to the Pacific tide, finding the woman that I've been keeping inside. It's a solo flight, but I'm never alone. From the Florida swamps to the great unknown, yeah, I'm paving my way, claiming my space. Just a girl on a journey, running on grace. Now the Rockies are rising, blocking out the sun. The devil whispered, turn back, look what you've done. But I shifted the gear and I prayed through the night. I'm a daughter of a king, I was made for the fight. Yeah, my melanin's glowing in the western light. Watch me break through the dark, watch me take flight. Watch me take and the air's getting cold. I traded my silver for a spirit of gold. I see the red steel cutting straight through the fog. Look at this journey, look at my guide. Oh, I took the long way across this land. No map in my pocket, just faith in his hand. 305 to the Pacific tide, I freed the woman that was trapped inside. It's a solo flight, but I was never alone. Built my own kingdom, sitting on the throne. Yeah, I pay my way, I claim my space. Look at me now, running on grace. I made it, Golden Gate shining, water deep and blue. If they only knew what I had to push through. From the 305 to the edge of the world, just a fearless, blessed, unbroken black girl. I